Hello, welcome to Valley View. This is your science video. We are going to walk you through how to set up a science notebook in order to be successful in science. This is brought to you by your 6th grade science teachers. I'm Miss Griffin Boyle.
I'm Miss Sackett.
Welcome to Valley View. You should see this piece of paper somewhere in the packet you were given. Please press pause to find it and then press play when you have found it. So every unit in science, we make a science notebook, and the first page, the cover, is always your table of contents to let you know everything that we've done during that unit. It helps you study for tests, and it gives you resources to do your homework. Please put your first and last name up here. The unit title you don't know yet because it depends on when you join Valley View. We do need to write down a few lines on this, so please write cover, table of contents, that's this sheet, and then a P for practice. Our assignments are either practice or graded, but whether they're practice or graded, we expect your full energy and effort into each page. Doing well on practice enables you to do well on your graded assignments. Please press pause to write these in and play when you have done so. The next two lines talk about two other pages that all science notebooks have, our warm-up and our vocabulary. You can see we number our pages, 1, 2 for your warm-up and 3, 4 for vocabulary. They are both graded, that's what the G means, and they are both due on test day. We'll talk about both of these later in this video. Please press pause to write these in and play when you have done so. All right, let's talk about your warm-up sheet. It looks like this. Press pause, find this sheet, and play when you have found it. We need to get this page set up. So your first and last name goes here. Again, we don't know the unit, and you may not know what hour you have science yet, so it's okay to leave those blank. Put a 1 outside the boxes over here and circle it. On the back side, put a 2 here and circle it. You now know that this is page 1 and 2. Every day in science, your science teacher will say a sentence. It's called a dictation. You are expected to copy that sentence down just by listening to it and fill in the blank. So if today is Wednesday, on Wednesday you would fill in the date, September 3rd, November 25th, March 2nd, whatever it happens to be that day. And then in this box, you would listen to our sentence, write down exactly what we say, and fill in the blank. Sometimes the blank will be an opinion, and sometimes there will be a correct answer. The next sheet that every science notebook has is a vocabulary sheet. It has 3 of these, front and back. Press pause to find it and play to begin. On the front side, there is another spot for your name, somewhere up top, and unit we can leave blank again. Put a 3 on the bottom of this first sheet. On the back side, put a 4. Then, over here, you are going to put your science word that we have on the screen. You'll copy the definition from us and the in other words from us. We'll circle things, we'll squiggle things, we'll line things, we'll interact with these 2 words to really help you understand what this means. Then, over the next few days, we'll do demos, notes, experiments, projects to help you figure out what these mean. And then, a few days later, it will say finish the word, and we'll talk about what this means. There's a video to do this on our Google Classroom page, which we can get you enrolled in once we know what class period you'll be in. This is how you set up your science notebook. All units will have these 3 pages to start. Hopefully now you have a better understanding when you come into class and you see these pages. As always, please ask us if you have questions. We're glad you're here. Take care.